Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Periosteum of the bone. In the periosteum of the bone, it is a layer of the bone which is surrounding the layer which is surrounding the bone is called as periosteum of the bone. Right. In the periosteum of the periosteum of the bone consists of two layers. That is, it contains outer fibrous layer and it also contains inner cambium or inner cellular layer is present. This is the outer fibrous layer and it contains an inner cellular layer. So this periosteum will cover the bone, and it is also important for the blood supply of the bone will also occur with the help of the periosteum. Now, the periosteum is connected to the bone. If this is the bone and this is the periosteum, it is connected to the bone by a group of fibers called as Sharpie's fibers will connect the periosteum to the bone.
thank you and thank you for watching.